In case of a straight line, two things are important. One is inclination. From inclination we get something called slope of line. And the second one, intercept of line. These intercepts are two types. One is x-intercept, another one is a y-intercept. If a line is drawn in two-dimensional system like x-axis, a system comprised of x-axis and y-axis is called two-dimensional geometry. In case of two-dimensional geometry, if you draw a line, suppose this is a line, and this line makes some angle with x-axis with respect to positive direction of x-axis. So in the direction of positive direction of x-axis, the line making some inclination. Theta is the inclination. So inclination of the line denoted by theta. And what is the slope? The slope is nothing but tan theta. And slope is denoted by symbol small m. In many books and many authors and many teachers, they denote slope by small m. So a line, when you talk about the line, two things are important. What is the inclination of the line and what is the slope of the line. Also the intercepts. You see, whenever we draw a line, this is a straight line in two-dimensional coordinate system. So this line, let us call it AB. This line is cutting y-axis at this point. So let us call as a point P. And this line is cutting x-axis at point Q. And O is the origin, where x-axis and y-axis are intersecting. That point is origin. So we have the distance OP. Distance OP is the distance on y-axis. This distance OP is called y-intercept. Similarly, the distance OQ. The distance OQ is belonging to x-axis. It is the distance on x-axis. Distance OQ is called x-intercept. So whenever we talk about two-dimensional straight line, the important thing, the slope of the line and intercept of line, x-intercept, y-intercept. These are the basic things. By using these things, we can describe a line. For example, consider this line. Now, this line is cutting y-axis at how much distance? 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. So coordinates become 0, 3. And on x-axis, 1 unit, 2, 3, 4. On y-axis, it is cutting at a distance of 4 units. So 4, 0. So how much distance it is cutting on y-axis? 3 units. 3 units on y-axis. Therefore, 3 units on y-axis, that is this distance. This distance equals to 3 units. And this distance is nothing but equal to 4 units. So distance on y-axis is nothing but 3 units. So we say y-intercept of line equals to 3 units. If it is in centimeter, then we say 3 centimeter. If it is in meter, we say 3 meters. So y-intercept of the line is 3 units. Similarly, on x-axis, it is cutting a distance of 4 units. We measure the distance from origin. From origin, the distance, the line cutting at these points. So on x-axis, the line cutting a distance of 4 units. So on axis, the x-intercept equals to 4 units. In general, x-intercept is denoted by small letter a and y-intercept small letter b. So whenever we got a line, the x-intercept is denoted by small letter a and y-intercept is denoted by small letter b. So the x-intercept equals to 4 units, but the distance is left side of origin. So we can say x-intercept equals to minus 4 units and y-intercept b equals to 3 units. The line is making an angle of 45 degrees with respect to x-axis in the positive direction of x-axis, that is anti-clockwise direction. So theta equals to 45 degrees. So how to find out slope? This 45 degrees is called inclination. Inclination of the line. And if you want to find out slope is denoted by small m. Small m is nothing but slope of the line. That is equals to tan 45 degrees. And we know that tan 45 equals to 1. Therefore, slope of the line equals to 1. Slope of the line has no units. In this example, the line is in first quadrant and theta equals to 120 degrees. That is inclination of the line. This value I have taken randomly to explain you. So theta equals to 120 degrees. And so how to find out slope? The slope is m, and slope we can find out by using formula tan theta. So m equals to tan 120 degrees. So m equals to tan 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30 nothing but second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is negative. It is minus cot 30. So that is equals to minus root 3. So slope of the line equals to minus root 3. The line is drawn in the first quadrant, and let us say distance OA equals to small a and distance OB equals to small b. So x-intercept of line A equals to A. X-intercept of line A, and it is positive because it is present in the first quadrant, and y-intercept, it is above x-axis. So y-intercept of line B is also positive. So in this example, both intercept of the line are positive. In this case, the x-intercept is positive and y-intercept is negative, and inclination of the line is theta. After all this discussion, I would like to give you one question. Question is that in this graph, what is A symbol is? A is positive or negative, and B positive or negative, and which one is the inclination of the line? Inclination of line, is it angle theta or is it angle alpha? Out of these two, which one can be called as the inclination of the line? Please write down your comments in the comments box. In this episode, we have understood what is slope of a line. In next episode, I am going to teach you how to find slope of a line. So meet you in episode 2. Till then, wish you good luck. All the best.